Yo, welcome back. We're going to do another quick video this evening. We're going to show you how to get a better yield, even staking ontology, going cross-chain. So better than this Neo. What we're going to do is stake this PONT, which is the Neo version of ontology. So it's ontology on the Neo chain. And what we're going to need is the Cyano wallet with some ontology and some ontology gas. Cyano is the wallet for the ontology chain. And we're going to need Neo. And we're going to need Neo and Neo gas. Both of these are just browser extensions. And essentially what we're doing is sending these funds cross-pool. So we sent the Binance ontology over to our Cyano wallet already. We sent some gas too. Now what we're going to do is take this ONT and we're going to go to Wing.finance and we're going to turn this Wing.finance essentially connects both of these chains together. So we're going to swap this out. We're going to take our ONT and we're going to turn it into ONT sub D. And this is wrapped version of ONT that can be swapped out. We'll pay our gas fee. Great. Okay. Now, the next step is taking that ONTD, going to Flamingo.finance, and wrapping this ONTD into PONT. Make sure you have your ontology wallet connected to Flamingo.finance, and it's going to wrap this ONTD into PONT. Your receiving address PONT will be on your Neo wallet. It's going to go through this Poly network, and now we'll pay the Neo gas fee on the Neo wallet. Hit yes. Okay, great. Now we have PONT. Then we go to the vault. PONT, just wanted to check that. And you can see now we've really effectively moved our ONT from one chain to another. Now we'll go stake our PONT. Another little baby gas fee here. Transaction complete. Great. That's it. We're now earning FLM. We're minting it. There you go. It's going up 420. Hope this helped you all, and see you at listing.